Last month, we designed and 3D printed a dumbbell stand to support our strength training. In this video, we're creating agility rings that can be placed on the ground to help improve footwork, coordination, explosive movement, and fast twitch muscle development on leg day. Now enough with the chatter, because these layers matter. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into our design software. This design is super simple. First, we need to start with measuring our diameter, which I'm measuring about 278 millimeters. That will just round up to 290. Then we'll offset that circle by 10 millimeters to give the inner dimension of the ring. And select the face and extrude to the desired height. You don't want it too high to risk injury. Grab the inner and outer line edge and fillet it to the full setting. And there we go. That looks like it won't break an ankle. Let's get to printing. For this project, we're going to be using TPU, since it's a little bit softer, or squishy, as I'd like to say. So in case we land on it, it won't feel like stepping on a Lego. And for this video, we'll be printing 4 rings of each color. 32 hours later, we have all 16 rings done. And sometime after that, they were all cleaned up. Now for the hard part, the testing. There are a number of different ways you can set these up, or you can just do what my partner did and have no rhyme or reason on how you lay them out. Because in some cases, the utility is more important than the layout. Especially if you're uncoordinated like me, you'll learn with practice. That is one reason why I made this project, is because I want to get better at everything these exercises and these rings help improve. Footwork, coordination, explosive movement, and fast twitch muscle development. You can have the rings close together to work on speed and fast twitch muscle development. If you want a little bit more challenge, you can keep the rings together and do high knees, or spread them apart to see if it's easier or harder. And as you can tell by my face, if you're uncoordinated like me, I couldn't tell the difference, but practice makes perfect, right? And if those weren't challenging enough, or as if those weren't challenging enough, you can spread them further apart for more explosive movements. Or you can do ladder drills if you remember how to do them correctly. In this case, muscle memory failed my partner for this one.
Yeah, totally.
But if you can't remember, at least some movement is better than no movement. You can do this with 2 rows, or just switch it to 1 row and do something as simple as grapevines. And when everything is all said and done, after you've had a good workout, you can just walk them for a cool down.
Overall, pretty good. You get a good workout.
Well, that was fun. So, would you give these rings a try and add them to your workout routine? Or what would you recommend? Let us know in the comments. Woo! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
I'm not that coordinated. This is why I didn't design this.